Unleashing the strength within, the power of unity. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an incredibly meaningful topic that resonates with us all, the power of unity. Unity is a powerful concept, especially when we think about its impact on our lives, communities, and the world at large. By understanding this, we can unlock a deeper sense of togetherness and strength. Let's explore what makes unity so influential and how it can change our perspective on collaboration and collective action. At its core, unity refers to the state of being united or joined as a whole. It's about coming together with others, despite our differences, to work towards a common goal or purpose. Unity is not about being the same. It's about respecting and valuing diversity while moving forward together. This fundamental principle can be applied to families, friendships, communities, and even nations. One of the most remarkable aspects of unity is the strength it provides. When individuals come together, they can achieve more than what would be possible on their own. This concept is beautifully encapsulated in the phrase, "United we stand, divided we fall." It signifies that there is immense power in numbers and that collective effort can overcome challenges that seem insurmountable to an individual. Throughout history, there have been countless examples of unity making a significant impact. Movements that fought for civil rights, environmental causes, and social justice have all relied on the power of people coming together. These examples show that when individuals unite for a cause they believe in, they can create positive changes in society. So, how can we cultivate unity in our own lives? It starts with empathy, understanding, and respect for others. By actively listening to different perspectives, engaging in constructive dialogue, and participating in community activities, we can build bridges of unity in our everyday interactions. Remember, unity begins with you and I coming together. The power of unity is a testament to what we can achieve when we work together. It reminds us that our differences do not divide us, they strengthen us. By embracing unity, we can face challenges more effectively, create meaningful changes, and build a more inclusive world. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this discussion inspires you to seek out unity in your life and recognize the incredible strength it holds. Together, let's make a difference.